Alright guys, so I'm in my garage right now because it's raining, and I'm just tearing apart this engine here, trying to look to find where the valve cover is so I can get into the valves to see if any of them are sticking, and that's why the compression is bad. So I'll show you here what I'm doing. So I got the top of the engine off here, and then I think the valve cover is behind the muffler, so we gotta go back here. I was reading up on a diagram of the engine, and it says it's somewhere right back in here. So I'm gonna go inside and grab some, whatever you call it, ratchet, whatever thing, and then I'm gonna try to take off this muffler and see if it's behind there. So I got this bolt here, looks a little sooty. And so I'm gonna take off this bolt here, and then got this one out. So yeah, gotta finish this up, then I'll show you if it comes off easy or not.